There are many reasons for an organization to want to adopt a lean philosophy. In this video, we are going to look at some of the motives that drive organizations towards lean. For this purpose, we are going to look at the drivers for lean in 3 different case scenarios. For the first scenario, consider a hypothetical company that produces a product. The product could be anything, but for the purpose of demonstration, let us suppose it is a simple pen. Our company has been around a long time and has a great reputation for producing pens. In fact, it is the go-to company for pens at this price point. Because the pens they produce have high quality, they are reliable, and they are available at a good, affordable price. The company has managed to build its reputation over many years. It has been lucky enough to be able to develop without any serious competition. In order to set the price for the product, our company has been able to first work out the cost to produce the product. This includes the cost of wages, the cost of all the materials to make it, and all the overheads involved, such as the maintenance, the indirect staffing costs, the power, and the land rent, etc. Let's say the total cost to produce our pens is £1. In order to be able to determine a selling price for this product, the company just needs to be able to add a profit margin onto the cost of making our pens. The company determines its profit margin. In this case, let's say it's 20% of the cost. So we have a cost to produce of £1 and a profit of an extra 20p, which means that the selling price we will go to market with will be £1.20 for our pens. This method is known as the cost plus method and is the traditional method for setting the price of products in the market when you have not a great deal of competition and you're the main market leader. Unfortunately for our traditional company, the market is changing and new competition has entered into the market. Unfortunately, the competition's production costs are significantly lower than our company's. This could be for many reasons. It could be because they have lower labour costs, or they may have more advanced technology and their facilities may be more automated. Alternatively, the reasons could be more political, such as subsidised industries, lower regulatory standards, or managed currency. Or it may just simply be because they have smarter working practices. Generally, our customers can be fickle and are not bothered why the cost is lower, as long as they are satisfied with the product quality, the service, and the price. Our competition's costs are determined to be 70p. Their profit is still at a better margin, but is at 20p. So their selling price is now 90p. 90p is the new market price. Our company now has a huge problem. To match the new market price, they will have to reduce their selling price by 30p. Ideally, they would need to do more. This will more than wipe out their profit margin and they will be selling at a loss. To further compound the problem, there are additional pressures pushing to increase the costs. Our company's workforce expect regular wage rises, and our suppliers want to increase the price they charge for the raw materials each year. This is called the profit squeeze, where we have downward pressure on the market price and upward pressure on our costs. The competition's pens are as good as our own, and the market price is significantly lower. In order to stay in business, something will need to be done. There are not many options available to resolve our company's dilemma, but one solution that has proved successful for many companies is to turn to lean, where the focus is to add value and eliminate waste to reduce the costs. Competition was our first reason why an organization may consider turning to lean. Let's now consider another organization that is in a dominant and comfortable market position. This organization has a progressive outlook and has a sense of social responsibility, environmental responsibility, and a desire to improve customer satisfaction. This organization understands that continual improvement is a way to make it difficult for competition to enter their market. They are looking for longevity and can see Lean as a potential solution to satisfy their requirements. Lean supports social responsibility since it focuses on delivering satisfaction for all its stakeholders, including local communities, employees and families, supply chain partners, and shareholders. A key to Lean success is good labour relationships and empowerment of the workforce. Health, safety and welfare have a priority, as well as observing fair operating practices. Respect for people is a core Lean value. Lean supports environmental responsibilities. A core facet of Lean is waste elimination, to continually strive to do more with less. Sustainable development is a Lean driver. Some organisations see Lean as an environmental driver to reduce environmental impact, and initiatives have been developed with this focus, such as Green Lean initiatives or Green Productivity. Another facet of Lean is to create customer value, which focuses on delivering customer satisfaction. Lean is a long-term philosophy. Its drive for ever-continuous improvement enables organisations to stay ahead of the competition. Our third case to consider is a company with market dominance, but it has a status quo bias within the organisation. There's no real competition at the moment, but the company is averse to change. Leadership is not enlightened. Leadership will have the fear of the unknown. They like familiarity and have difficulty overcoming inertia. They have a minimal appetite for risk. They do not change with the competition. They do not change with customers. This company will have no interest in Lean until it eventually has to face a burning platform issue, like a financial crisis or a paradigm change. It is only then that it would consider adopting a Lean philosophy. Hopefully this video has given you an insight into why an organisation may choose to adopt a Lean philosophy. In summary, there may be many reasons, and these include competition, concern about the profit squeeze, or simply an organisation may have a desire to maintain its market position. In addition, it may be for other reasons, such as social responsibility or environmental responsibility. Or it may simply be for the reason of necessity, like having a burning platform issue.